Alright, welcome to Nothing Pretty Brick Tutorials. This series will cover the most absolute fundamental steps for a quality top rock style. Two-step, front step, side step spreads. Let's get it going first with a two-step. Open your feet to where it's comfortable. Choose a foot to move. Step towards the other foot. Bring it back to where it came from. And then just repeat this back and forth. Anything beyond this is a variation. Variations are limitless, but the most basic are probably distance and height. Anyone can do a two-step, so it's your groove and control of your variations that defines you as a good dancer. Naturally, a lot of your control comes from your relationship to the ground. Pay attention to how light or heavy you are on your feet and the area you're putting pressure on the foot. All of this can make a huge difference in accomplishing your goal. Breaking was born out of a dance party culture. And so it's important to keep that in mind. It took shape out of the energy of the people and the music that was played. So you really want to start building on your grooves and hitting that percussive beat. See how I'm snapping in this video? And pretending that there's a snare or something that I'm hitting. And I like to drop on that beat. You want to use your arms. You want to put your chest into it. You want to put your shoulders into it. You want to use your muscles, like engage them, you know? And, for me, this isn't a tough guy dance. This is a party dance, a really extreme party dance. And so, personally, I've been developing a style that feels more like, I'm at a house party and I'm just having a ton of fun. Your experience is appreciated. Add what you know to the comments below.